Chapter 2. Asset Management Service. 8Gold's real estate and asset management service is a combination of VIP property investors' know-how and our blockchain technology, which proposes a new way to allow anyone to conduct investment safe and easy. Property and asset management of 8Gold offers a brand new solution to the entire process, including management, trading brokerage, and investment. Management. Main VIP clients in the Middle East generally hold hundreds or thousands of properties. However, most of the VIPs concern about frequent profit loss and value drop in large-scale properties due to inefficient and unsystematic local agencies. 8Gold provides a transparent and effective management solution. We evaluate local agencies through equitable bidding and deliver audit reports, which enhances our service quality and improve customers' long-term profitability. Also, we share transparent information to tenants and management through Blockchain app, where you can easily check the status of rent, maintenance record, and bank statement, etc. As of such advantages, Middle East VIPs are eager to phase an 8Gold systematic property management service. Trading brokerage. 8Gold offers a one-stop brokerage service which can manage the entire procedure in global property trading. In general case of overseas property investment implemented through agencies, you can face various hurdles such as legal affairs, contract, loan, exchange, and remittance after securing local offerings. Besides, individual investors face multiple difficulties due to a complicated process, including post-management of local property and withdrawal of investment. But 8Gold provides integrated brokerage service using Blockchain app, which facilitates a complicated process in overseas real estate trading with one hand. Hence, our clients can save time and budget and minimize risks. Investment. Will it be possible to invest in overseas resorts or profitable Hong Kong buildings with a small amount of money? 8Gold's security token offering service provides a clear answer to this question. This service is a type of equity investment methodology towards global real estate that allows you to acquire equity similar to obtaining corporate stocks. Thereby, you can invest a small amount of money for highly profitable overseas properties and organize a diverse portfolio of global properties. 8Gold STO service is very useful when purchasing a building with co-investors. In co-investment, if you want to sell or hand over your share, you do not need to collect entire co-investors' agreement. Moreover, it is practicable for not only distributing a dividend of own share, but also imposing rights of building operation. Furthermore, it offers an excellent usage of inheritance. For instance, 2 properties can be fairly divided to 3 children. The world is moving rapidly to adopt a platform for blockchain financial transactions. In this era, 8Gold service is already changing the paradigm for global asset investment and management in the Middle East through our integrated system and innovative technology. 8Gold is reckoned as a pioneer of combining asset management and blockchain innovation. 8Gold team offers entire services through protracted experience in global investment and technical know-how in successful service. 8Gold, your best partner at the forefront of your future asset management.